Good morning. Actually, this judgment I would like to share with you because for criminal prosecution, criminal actions, public interest are not being entertained because we have to file a 482 application. But recently, the Supreme Court seems to have given a judgment stating that still the criminal bill against the project contractor officers and office bearers of municipal compound council may be permitted. So this would be a somewhat a better judgment. AR 2021 Supreme Court 4726 and judgment was challenged. The High Court judgment was challenged on SLP. Title Sheikh Amar Ansar Ahmed Mohammed Hussain was state of Maharashtra. The earlier councillors, seems to have filed a public interest litigation imputing allegation against the present the persons who are dealing with Integrated Housing and Slum Development Program IHSDP through state government under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission. So several mismanagement, malpractice, scandal were alleged, and that was deeply discussed. Therefore, you kindly go through the judgment. It will be help if you are socially interested for this public interest, filing public interest. So that was the judgment. Now I want to share with another forensic case. There were three persons living together with gay relationship, and one person was out of home, the other young person was available. The second one was found dead by committing suicide. That was the allegations. By injecting a lethal injection, he seems to have committed suicide. That was the case of the other inmate of the room. And that person very interestingly and intelligently entered into the computer of the deceased person and wrote a letter stating that he wanted to commit suicide because he was found HIV positive. But forensic experts proved their intelligence. The first time in the forensic history, they have proved that the letter typed in computer was not that of the deceased, but rather fabricated and inserted, planted by the young other guy who was available inside the house wherein the deceased found dead. And they have also found that the lethal injection was overdose, because that boy was a medical student who has completed his course but yet to undergo training to become a doctor and to register. How they have deducted forensic experts was a fantastic ideological revelations, prudent act. We must appreciate. They say every person is having his own way of writing a letter. See, when I started practicing Mr. Rangojala, his name was also G. Krishnamurthy Rangojala, who voluntarily quit the IAS post and started practice, a leading criminal lawyer in North Madras. He advised me that Krishnamurthy, don't always put long sentences. Don't think that the judges are capable or interested in reading long sentences, para-wise statement. You put always in simple sentences. Even while arguing also, you argue very simply, not what actually we can't, nowadays we do not have sufficient time to argue the case very politely, slowly, because of for want of time. That resulted me to cultivate a habit of arguing before the court very rapidly. I also feel shame later on why I am arguing like that. And however, I understood that the judges understood me. Sometimes I argue slowly. Depends upon the matter and the cases being listed, and some other advocates are waiting. Here, they say the earlier communications written drafted by the deceased as well as the suspect, the doctor student who is pursuing his medical, distinctly proved that the suicidal note drafted in computer was not that of a deceased but that of the other inmate who committed murder, because the way of using phrases, conjunction, was totally different that of the deceased. So this is somewhat seems to be very fruitful method of proving this case. I hope you understand this case, and I am afraid by narrating all these forensic cases, somebody should not take advantage of it to commit crimes. I hope that may not be correct. However, how to get over these very they claim it is substantial piece of evidence, circumstantial evidence. But how to shake this is that you have to go through the other phrases, other letters, which are not referred by the forensic authorities. And if anything was available to prove that he was also using phrase and conjunction earlier, like which was used in the suicidal note. Therefore, that could be very defense argument. Another aspect was that you may also ask how many letters you have used. What will be the state of mind if suppose a person who intend to commit suicide may not be that much of literally concentrated to drop the letter as he was drafting earlier. This will be your far better defense argument. This is what I understood as a very instead of saying experience, very opportunity advocate who had an occasions to cross-examine a lot of forensic scientists, particularly superimposition and blood, DNA, all these things. Therefore, kindly go through this my version of communication about this group of forensic experts in disproving that the suicide note was not that of the deceased who downloaded the same with his computer. Best wishes.